BJP IT Cell Chief Amit Malviya has slammed the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, stating that after Mamata Banerjee, the joint platform of the doctors West Bengal now exposed her nephew for spreading the fake news. In order to weaken the doctors' protest demanding the justice for Arjikar, they seek an unconditional apology for inciting the violence and hostility towards the medical fraternity. He also added that several TMC MPs had joined the chorus to amplify the misinformation. They in fact too must apologize and delete their post, as said by BJP IT Cell Chief Amit Malviya. He also stated that it is obvious that Mamata Banerjee and her entire clan is least interested in the resolution or justice. After releasing all the evidence that they wanted, they somehow to discredit and diffuse the protest and move on as if a young lady doctor was never raped and murdered. Sick state of affairs is what is coming in the fresh comments by BJP IT Chief Amit Malviya. He also slammed her, stating that Mamata Banerjee is evil and she must go. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Mehndi. Mehndi, very good morning to you. As we see now, recent series of attacks have now come forward as far as the comments by BJP IT Cell Chief Amit Malviya is concerned, accusing the nephew of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee as well, and hitting out at the TMC in fact for trying to suppress and also outpour the voice of the doctors and the association for hiding the evidence for the Arjikar medical rape murder.
Well, Simran, good morning to you as well. And you know, the Kolkata case is politically getting heated up right now, and also the war of words have started between BJP and the TMC also. And today morning, we all saw that how BJP IT Chief Amit Malviya has posted accusing the TMC MP, the TMC leader, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, and also his nephew on various allegations and accusations. So, you know, Amit Malviya is saying that the joint protest by doctors that is happening in Kolkata right now, they have unfolded that Mamata Banerjee's nephew is somehow involved in forging the evidence, and you know, they are not at all interested in getting the justice for the girl that has been raped and murdered in Kolkata. So these are the accusations that have been put on Mamata Banerjee's nephew by Amit Malviya, saying that this has been taken out by the doctors only. So apart from that, also Amit Malviya has accused Mamata Banerjee, saying that she is not at all interested in getting the justice, and only the politics is happening over this big issue that has erupted in Kolkata after such a heinous crime that has happened a long days back. And also he is saying that most of the TMC MPs have also joined the protest, and along with them Mamata Banerjee was also seen in the protest, joining the doctors and doing the march and asking for justice. But now Amit Malviya's accusations are very clear, as he has posted on his X platform also, that Mamata Banerjee is evil. He specifically used the word evil for Mamata Banerjee and said that she must go because politics is going on this matter. And Mamata Banerjee, along with all the TMC MPs, are not at all interested in getting the justice.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.